Hello, good morning. Well, this is part 2 of the jerky process. So it's been marinating in the fridge for about 48 hours, a bit longer in this case. Yesterday I was preparing the garden for Christmas, but we've got to drain it as much as we can. So get in the strainer. A little bit of a stir up. Alright, that's good. Get one of the drying rack trays. Got two flavours here that I like to put on the top. One is sweet Hungarian paprika, and the other is just a herb and garlic, a spicy seasoning herb and garlic mix, which comes up quite well on the jerky as well. So the first few I'm going to do is just with the sweet paprika, and then the last few trays we'll do with the spicy herb seasoning. Alright, just start laying it on the tray. Because it's a round dish, I have to sort of spiral them around the centre. Make sure there's an air gap in between each one. Alright, there's one tray done. So we've got our marinated meat on the drying tray. Now to put on the topping, the flavouring, which in this case is sweet paprika. Make sure everything's covered. Just like that. That's the first one that goes on the tray. And we just keep on going. All right, so finally we've got full trays, and we're going to start it up. Now this one here, the Easy Dry Snack Maker's got 3 settings. So you've got low, medium and high. I usually like to put it on medium. If it's on high, then we end up getting, it just cooks too much. So it becomes dry and really brittle. So I put it on medium, and for 10 hours. Let's give it a track. Right, so 10 hours of drying time, and as you can see, we have perfect, juicy looking beef jerky. It's very good. So, now I'm just going to package it all up. It's delicious. Just enough time to dry it out and not make it too crumbly. So it's still got the softness to it, which is great. Beautiful. Right, now since it's Christmas Day, I've been asked to make up a package for a present. So we're going to make up 200 grams. We're going to use a mix of the paprika and the herb and garlic. Beautiful. Just gonna have to put it down for a second. And there we go, 200 grams of beautiful sealed beef jerky.